Hello my friends, my name is Waaiz Shahzad. Today I want to share a story with you. The two friends and the bear. One day, two young friends named Hans and Adam set out on a trip. They promised one another they would stay together if they ever met danger. They soon walked through a very dark part of the forest. Suddenly, they saw a bear running towards them. Hans quickly climbed the nearest tree. Adam did not have time to escape, so he lay down on the ground and pretended to be dead. The bear growled as it came closer and closer. Adam held his breath and kept very still, playing dead. The bear sniffed all around the boy on the ground, and then it grunted into the boy's ear. After the bear left, Hans jumped down from the tree. He asked, "Why did the bear grunt in your ear? Did it say something to you?" "Yes," replied Adam. "It said that the fellow who climbed up the tree and left me here to face danger alone could not possibly be a true friend." Moral: do not trust a friend who does not help you in times of need. Friends, I hope you liked this video. I will meet you in another video. Goodbye.